Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is De Jesus, and this is my part 2 of my back piece. So today, pretty much what we're working on is the very top piece of that tattoo, pretty much what the guy is wearing on his head. Um, as you can see from last time, there was some done, but I didn't like how the video came out, so I decided not to upload it. So technically, this is kind of like part three, but whatever. I'm just putting it part 2. The pain. Oh man, look. Getting tattoos, like the process, is not fun, but having them, it looks nice. Um, we're still not done with the final product, and there's still like two more things need to be added. It's almost like the wings on the side. Right there, my artist Husky is telling me what we're gonna be working on. Yeah, he's pointing out the top piece there. So check this out. The pretty much the head and the earrings of the guy of the tattoo, that was done 2 days ago, and now the day that this got done, the top piece was 2 days after that. So my my back was pretty tender. It was not feeling nice. I did my best to not move, but luckily, by the end of the day, we got what we're set to do for the day. Our goal for the day, which was done. I need one more session to do. Again, it's just for the wings. Is the wing part, as you can see there, to the left and to the right of the person. You can see that there's still some missing, but that's what we're gonna get done on the third part. And yeah, see you guys later. Take care.